Coffee Break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today I'm here with a video in partnership with FabFitFun as per usual. I think we should celebrate like our FabFitFun anniversary. Pretty sure it's been over 2 years now. It's the only subscription box that has made the cut after all these years. You can say I don't play favorites, but that would be a lie. So today we are here to talk about our FabFitFun winter add-ons. But before I show you guys the goodies, let's talk about FabFitFun for a while. Okay, can we talk about how last fall I lost my cool over the fall box, and then the winter box was even better, and then after that, anytime I talk about FabFitFun, I get bright-eyed and bushy-tailed about everything. So if you're unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription service featuring all full-size products, and every season the box is well over ESL moment. Every season the box is worth well over, now I'm nervous, over $200, and it does feature beauty, lifestyle, fashion, all kinds of awesome products that any person in your life would love, including myself. I've often considered signing up twice. Like, do you think I would get a variety? Because now they do that thing where you can select certain things, like you'll actually get a choice. Do you think you would like get multiple choices and then you can get all the stuff? I wonder if other people also have these thoughts that I do, or if it's just me and, you know, the cuckoo bird in my brains. So because the box is a quarterly box, you only get it 4 times a year, and the price is $49.99. But if you are a first-time member or subscriber, I do have a $10 discount code that's WinterDani. It is non-affiliate, which means I am not making commission, but it will get you guys a nice juicy discount for that first box. Now, if you are a member of FabFitFun, or if you're not, you might want to be, because they just opened their winter add-ons for members. This is an exclusive sale for members only. God, doesn't that sound like super snobby? It's only for members, you guys. So this is an exclusive sale for members only, where the most amazing products are heavily discounted, and you kind of add them to your cart before your winter box ships out, and they ship them to you in your winter box. So you're gonna get like extra surprises in there that you picked and bought yourself. Okay, anyway, should we just get into this? I think we should. So the very first product that I want to show you is a little silly, but I'm dying to open it. I hope it has a little bit of charge so that we can try it out on camera. This is the Critter Bluetooth speaker. Look how cute that is. It's so little, it's a little pug. So this is the Silo Critter Bluetooth speaker. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse, featuring a built-in microphone to easily answer all your calls. All right, so this little guy comes with its own little HDMI mini charging cable. It also comes with a little wrist strap if you wanna, you know, dangle the little guy around. And this is what the speaker looks like. Oh my God, it's so little. I hope it has battery. Let's see.
Power on.
It does. And then what? Should we connect it to my phone? Let's see if it works. Hold on. I'm super excited about this, you guys. Oh my gosh, are you ready?
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Ready? Are you nervous? I'm a little nervous. Oh my God, it works! And it's this big! Look at how big it is! Oh! Does anyone else like Billy Currington? I do, big crush. So I had to take a couple of seconds to gather my composure again after freaking out over a tiny little baby speaker the shape of a dog. But I'm back now. I'm gonna show you guys a few more items, and now while the items that I show you are part of the add-ons, they might not necessarily be part of the winter add-ons. They could show up during the spring, summer, or fall add-ons as well. So you wanna keep an eye out on that. And if you're a member and you extend your membership to an annual membership, you do get a preview of these items, so you get to shop before anyone else. Okay, moving on from that speaker that totally changed my life. Another product that I know a ton of you are already fans of, and if you guys can get it at an amazing discount, why not, right? So this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Nightcap Overnight Perfector. I think living proof items are just like that perfect amount of luxury product where you feel like you're doing something really, really luxe to your hair or something really nice, plus it smells really good. One of the things that I like about FabFitFun is that it's an all-inclusive box. So whether you're into fashion, lifestyle, you do yoga, you love makeup, you know, you are super fan of like fashion vloggers, no matter what your interest is, there's gonna be something about FabFitFun that you like. So one of the things that I like is that they kind of lace in healthier products, whether it's in beauty and makeup or even in supplement form. So I'm actually going to show you guys a couple of items that kind of go through that like lifestyle, health, avenue. The first one is a effervescent vitamin supplement. I used to take these when I was little and I thought I was drinking soda. Little did I know my mom was giving me vitamin C. So this is from the brand Nun, and this is in the strawberry melon flavor, and it's for hydration. So it's loaded with electrolytes, vitamins. You put it in a 16-ounce bottle of water, which is like that regular size. Who doesn't have time to throw this in their purse, and then when you want that added boost of hydration, or you want to give yourself a beauty treatment without it actually being beauty, you just drink it, you can throw this in there. I kind of want to smell it. I'm in a very opening everything kind of mood today. So the tablet itself looks like this. I really think you're not supposed to do this. I think there's a reason why they tell you to dissolve it in water. But you guys, you know what? I like to live my life on the edge, and this is delicious. Can I put 3 in my water? Okay, so sticking with that lifestyle route, or the healthier lifestyle avenue that I was telling you guys about that FabFitFun takes sometimes, we do have a couple of essential oils items. How many of you guys have seen all of those diffusers and essential oils posts all over the place? I have a couple of friends of mine that I follow on Instagram. I call them friends even though I've never met them in real life, and that doesn't matter because I still love them. But they're all about the essential oil life. So this is a set that has 4 essential oils: tea tree, rosemary, eucalyptus, and lemongrass. So let's say that maybe you're not into the diffuser life or the essential oil life. I'm pretty sure you know someone, you work with someone, or someone in your family is into the essential oils. So if you're gonna be, you know, up to date with like trendy gifts, or you're a really big gift giver, this might be something you want to add to your cart. The other essential oil item that I have to show you guys is from a brand called Esum, and this is a lavender roll-on roller ball, and it's supposed to help you relax. So you apply it to pulse points, whether it's on your wrists, behind your ears. It's supposed to help you relax. I kind of want to smell it. Should we put some on? Oh, that does smell very relaxing. I wonder if I could put this on my kids, because I do use a lavender body wash, lavender shampoo, and a lavender body lotion, and I douse them in lavender so that they get sleepy. Pretty sure I could continue to stack the deck with something like this. Couple of skincare products that I want to share with you guys. One is from a brand called Aloe Up, and this is a daily face moisturizer that is hypoallergenic, loaded with antioxidants, and it's fragrance free. So a little bit more of a greener beauty brand, and it does have SPF 25, which, come on you guys. Everything with SPF, please, especially now where we're looking for any excuse to be outside. Do you guys feel like that happens where it starts to get cold and you're like, oh, I want to be outside, I miss the summer, and summer's been gone for like 30 seconds, but then when summer comes back, you're like, man, I wish it was cold. I think that's what we do. So if you're going to be doing that, you want to make sure you protect your beautiful, amazing skin. You know what I'm saying? Okay, moving on, we have, I think this is very appropriate. Considering the season we're in, I know you guys aren't going to be showing off your feet or your heels, but it is getting colder, which means your feet and your heels aren't the prettiest right now. So this is from a brand called Hey Honey, and it's called the Walk the Walk Propolis Foot and Heel Cream. I believe I want to say that Hey Honey is a green beauty brand, one of those cruelty-free, really good option type products. Ooh, look at the packaging. It's kind of fancy, huh? So this is for your feet and your heels. That feels really nice. It's extremely emollient. It feels like a light gel, but it also has that like cling at the end, that like, that after emollient feeling that's not gonna absorb and go away, you know, that's gonna like really nourish the skin on your feet. You guys don't judge me. I'm applying some to my right heel right now. I know you are probably thinking, hey Dani, can we get a review on this product? Sure. So as I'm applying it, it feels really nice. It smells really good. It's lightweight and fresh, sort of like a eucalyptus-y. Wow, that does smell really good actually. I'm gonna need a moment with this. That's actually a really invigorating product because you feel that really rich, creamy, emollient product on the skin. It stays on there, but because of that eucalyptus scent, I don't even know if it's eucalyptus. I'm gonna just say it's like a minty, eucalyptus-y, Christmassy smell. It's very invigorating, like it just opens up your senses. Moving on to a brand you've all heard about, Dr. Brandt, the DNA Do Not Age Time Defying Cream. Lessens the look of wrinkles and helps plump the skin. Who doesn't want to incorporate anti-aging products into their skincare routine, am I right? Especially if it looks this fancy. Wow, you guys, look at this. I'm totally gonna send this to my mom. She is all about that anti-aging life. And if it's gonna make her vanity look extra fancy, because my mom's a little extra, let's be honest. Oh, it smells really good too. So this is one of Dr. Brandt's DNA products. It says that after day 1, it starts replenishing your skin with hydration. After 2 weeks, it will improve the look of sagging skin, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, and after a month, it gives you back youth and harmony. But can I bathe in it? More products and we are done. We have a body cream or a body moisturizer from a brand called Grown Alchemist. This is botanical based beauty, and this is in the scent Mandarin and Rosemary Leaf. Anything that is deep hydration during the winter, I will sacrifice myself to whatever it smells like as long as my skin feels like it's getting a hug. Do you know what I mean? There is nothing worse than dry, itchy skin during any season, especially in the winter though. Ooh, that smells really good. You know what it reminds me of? Like a spa, like a really fancy spa. Okay, you guys, confession, I've only been to one spa in my life, but it reminds me of that moment, okay? And the last and final product is from one of my favorite brands, Skin Iceland. This is the Berry Lip Fix with Winter Red Algae. Skin Iceland is a skincare brand. It's one of my favorites. Their under eye patches are the best. So this is a really great product to either have in your purse when you are having a very comfy day and you're not wearing any makeup. Also, a really great product to use after your nighttime skincare routine. So you go in, you exfoliate your lips, you do your nighttime serum, you roll with your rose quartz or your jade or whatever roller you're using. And this is a really cool product to use as your final step for your lips and to go to bed with. The red algae has really awesome properties to kind of plump the skin, smooth out any fine lines, and just keep them extremely moisturized. So it's a cool product to have like on your bedside table or your nightstand in case you forget. I know I do. I'll stand in front of the sink for just long enough before I get extremely tired and I'll just go plop myself in bed. Once I've done that, there is no going back. I don't care if I forgot my eye cream, it's not happening. So it's a great product to have right there on your little bedside table. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this FabFitFun winter add-ons. Don't forget that if you are not a FabFitFun member, I do have a $10 discount code. It's WinterDani. It will get you $10 off your first season of FabFitFun. Also, kind of an inside scoop. I hope FabFitFun's not watching this, but if you guys follow other influencers that are also partnered with FabFitFun and they're also doing add-on videos, they're also going to be showing you guys different products. So they probably don't have this super awesome little tiny baby speaker, but they're going to be showing you guys other stuff. So you might want to go watch their videos as well. Anyway, if you want additional information, there will be a link in the description box below, along with the details of my makeup, the shirt that I'm wearing, all this good stuff. I love you so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up. Seriously, right now? Okay. Okay, come here. All right. You ready for your 15 seconds of fame that you get to do every video? Huh? Tell them. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give us 2 paws up. and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!